The regulatory landscape for financial services around KYC is very complex. There's an awful lot that the banks have to do, particularly by 2018, with regards to know your customer. They're having to look at the whole of their existing books to actually ensure that they have a satisfactory level of confirmation of the person, where they live, and that they are not using the facilities for the purposes of money laundering. And the regulatory environment is very complex, from organisations who need to actually be able to transmit in dollars, so they actually have to follow US regulation on that front. And there's an awful lot of fines that have been passed around on that front. And these are elements that the banks are very worried about. A, who are the customers, and do they meet the needs of the regulatory requirements? Are we doing the right thing today with regards to how we onboard them? And are we actually taking the right steps to actually understand who they are? And how do we actually bring that together on an ongoing basis to make sure that we're keeping things safe on that front from a KYC perspective? So actually the problem is, how do we actually effectively onboard people in a KYC compliant manner? How do we look at the back book and ensure there's no KYC risks on that front? And how do we actually keep on an ongoing basis and monitor the customers to ensure that they're meeting the needs of the regulator in terms of knowing who our customers are?